Hey everyone, I'm Alex, and today I want to show you how to turn those hours of long interviews or lectures into a goldmine of social-ready clips without losing your mind in the editor. We have all been there with that one massive hour-long file sitting on our hard drive, just waiting to be chopped up into something shareable. Traditionally, editing involves scrubbing through hours of raw footage, guessing which 30 seconds will actually land, or even worse, paying someone else to do all that heavy lifting. Vizard changes the game by using AI to handle the tedious parts of finding highlights and scheduling, leaving you free to actually focus on being a creator. To get started, you just import your source file into Vizard, whether it is a local video or a link from a cloud recording service. Once uploaded, the engine immediately analyzes your footage for speech, emotional peaks, and even camera framing changes to find those viral moments. It acts like a junior editor working in the background, carefully combing through your timeline to identify the most compelling lines and reactions. After a few minutes, Vizard presents you with a list of clip candidates, each with a suggested length and a confidence score. You still hold the reins here, because you can preview every pick and drag the start or end points to make sure they are exactly what you wanted. I have found that it is incredibly smart at catching those 45-second bursts where a guest explains a complex idea perfectly. Unlike some basic tools that just slice based on silence, this engine actually understands context, weight, and clarity, so you get fewer filler clips. Once you have selected your clips, you jump into the editor to add captions or adjust the aspect ratio for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. The captions are auto-generated with impressive accuracy, but you can always do a quick pass to fix technical terms or names in a few seconds. Since the captions are locked to the timeline, you don't have to deal with the headache of frame offsets or out-of-sync audio. Don't ignore the metadata either, because Vizard suggests captions and hashtags that help your clips actually get seen by the right people. You can even generate or upload custom thumbnails, which is a massive performance booster when people are scrolling through their feeds. This is where the magic happens. The auto-scheduler turns your editing dashboard into a full-blown content engine. Just tell the tool how often you want to post, select your channels, and let the system handle the rest of the queue. It keeps your publishing pipeline consistent without requiring you to export files and upload them to different social platforms manually. The content calendar is honestly a lifesaver, giving you a bird's-eye view of everything scheduled across multiple platforms. If you are running channels for multiple creators, you can manage everything right here without juggling spreadsheets or external apps. For those worried about privacy, the platform uses secure, encrypted uploads, so your sensitive footage stays safe throughout the entire process. It even handles multiple languages, so if your interview is in Spanish or Portuguese, the speech detection still works beautifully. When it comes time to export, you have complete flexibility to grab vertical, square, or horizontal MP4s for your team. Compared to using a high-end editor like Premiere, you lose the manual overhead, but gain an incredible amount of speed and consistency. And unlike cheaper mobile-only apps, Vizard is powerful enough to handle serious, batch-processed workflows for growing channels. In one of my tests, I took a 62-minute interview and had 18 solid clips ready to go in under 10 minutes. I approved 10 of them, set them to post twice a week, and basically didn't have to touch the edit for the rest of the month. My engagement grew steadily while I spent those saved 6 hours of editing time working on entirely new episodes. My big tip is to use the AI as a smart assistant, not a robot that does the thinking for you. Sometimes you need to add your own personal touch, like a quick hook or a caption tweak to really make the content pop. It is perfect for webinars, podcasts, or long-form interviews that you want to see reach a wider audience without expanding your editing team. Go ahead and try it with one of your existing videos and see how much great content is hiding in your old files. I would love to see what you come up with, so DM me your clips and let's swap some notes on what is working. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.